2019 Audi S3 Sedan, 2019 Audi S3 Sportback, 2019 Audi S3 Review, 2019 Audi S3 USA, New Cars Buy. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Audi brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Audi S3 Sedan, 2019 Audi S3 Sportback, 2019 Audi S3 Review, 2019 Audi S3 USA, New Cars Buy. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Audi S3 Sedan, 2019 Audi S3 Sportback, 2019 Audi S3 Review, 2019 Audi S3 USA, New Cars Buy. It seems that Audi is performing even better using its new Audi S3. The latest S3 is said to have received nice enhancements from your automaker. As among the Honda's flagships, the brand new S3 is predicted to efficiently do available on the market since the release date is getting much closer. 2019 Audi S3 changes and redesigns. There are several changes you will probably find about latest 2019 Audi S3 season. Also, the latest S3 also will get redesigned entrance fascia. The enhancements also eat upgraded technologies plus more powerful engine underneath the hood. New Audi S3 exterior. About the exterior, the new S3 will get several new colors for 2019 product. Now, customers can select half a dozen new exterior colors. All those are Cosmic Azure, Tango reddish colored, Aira glowing blue, Vegas yellow, and Nan gray. Besides the new hues, gossip has it how the carmaker also offers carried out some changes to the exterior. Just about the most visible may be the new headlamps which now come standard with xenon aspects. As well as it, the new S3 also comes with directed and matrix LED technologies as free selections. Getting a good look, you may observe that the automaker also has accomplished something in the tail lights. The brand new product receives new tail lights with horizontal broad strips. More, are available. Average really is a reshaped bumper along with a new diffuser with more great fins. All round, when compared to the recent design, the upcoming Audi S3 is forecasted to possess a far better and beautiful look. 2019 Audi S3 interior. You may well be pleased to possess a look within the new Audi S3 2019. Even though the interior does not get numerous changes, it continues to be fresh and classy. In comparison to its competitors within its sector, the newest S3 remains succeeding regarding the interior design. The interior in the new S3 comes along with numerous regular infotainment methods. It usually happens to have a 7-inch check which offers usage of selections depending on the latest cell phone designs. The brand new ride also becomes Audi's digital cockpit which replaces the traditional measure cluster. Additionally, Audi also offers enable connectivity which provides a Wi-Fi hotspot, Yahoo the Planet, Google Streets View, and knowledge of traffic and conditions. 2019 Audi S3 engine. Audi S3 engine will probably be operated by the exact same driver because of the very last year's design. However, the productivity is improved. The 2L turbocharged 4-tube generator able doing creating 310 HP. Thanks.